How is the government revolutionizing currency exchange in Zimbabwe? Amidst a backdrop of economic fluctuations and a vibrant informal currency market, the government of Zimbabwe is taking bold steps to reintegrate and empower mobile wallet agents, ensuring legal and accessible foreign currency transactions. In a recent update from the Deputy Minister of Finance, Economic Development and Investment Promotion, David Mnangagwa, it was announced that mobile wallet agents, such as those operating under Cash, are soon to make a comeback. This is not just a reintegration, but a strategic move to bolster the use of the electronic Zimbabwean dollar, commonly referred to as Zig, and to facilitate legal foreign currency exchanges. The plan is straightforward, yet impactful. Individuals with an Econet line who register for Cash will soon be able to convert their Zig to US dollars and vice versa at official exchange rates. This service aims to eliminate the need for the general populace to resort to the informal and often unregulated street currency exchanges. Moreover, the reactivation of Cash agents plays a crucial part in this strategy. Particularly in rural areas, these agents are set to become pivotal in ensuring that every citizen has access to legal foreign currency exchanges directly from their mobile wallets. This move is anticipated to bridge the financial inclusion gap that many face in the more remote parts of the country. The government's initiative also includes discussions with mobile network operators to reactivate these agents. Authorities had suspended over 4,000 Cash agents back in 2020 due to allegations of illegal currency trading activities. However, with those issues now resolved, these agents are set to make a return, thereby decentralizing access to foreign currencies and Zig. In addition to these measures, Econet has taken proactive steps by zero-rating charges for sending money from the diaspora to Zimbabwe. This gesture not only supports the government's efforts during challenging economic times, but also encourages the flow of foreign currency into the country through official channels. The reintroduction of mobile wallet agents and the facilitation of legal foreign currency exchanges are expected to have significant benefits. These include reducing reliance on the informal currency market, increasing the circulation of the Zig through formal channels, and enhancing the overall economic stability of Zimbabwe. In summary, by reintroducing mobile wallet agents and facilitating legal foreign currency exchanges, the government is setting the stage for a more regulated, accessible, and stable economic environment in Zimbabwe. This initiative not only supports the everyday financial transactions of its citizens, but also aligns with broader economic stabilization efforts. Through such strategic measures, Zimbabwe is taking confident steps towards economic resilience and inclusivity.